Welcome to iMindMap 11, our most powerful version yet. iMindMap remains your number one choice for digital mind mapping. Now with brand new views and innovative features, 11 takes visual thinking further than you've ever experienced before. Organise thoughts beautifully with all new radial map view. Represent importance, break down data and make information more meaningful without losing the bigger picture. New organisational charts are great for representing hierarchical data. Create tree-like or linear diagrams that show structure and a traceable chain of information. Fast Capture View now features a whole new way of working. Create a bubble web by firing a free flow of new ideas into a connected web of thought. Then switch to brand new bubble groups to collect related topics together. Use split screen to transfer ideas between projects. Drag and drop branches, sticky notes and more between views to make new connections and take your thinking further. With the addition of Hindi, Korean, Swedish, Malay and Turkish, iMindMap 11 is available in 19 different languages. New start screens and updated toolbars feature cleaner layouts and improved icons for fewer distractions and quicker access to your favourite tools. Our central idea gallery has grown with brand new designs. Position your central idea text where it makes most sense to you. Say hello to a library of familiar faces. Insert emojis into your mind maps, radial maps, brainstorms and more to add some personality to your projects. Download iMindMap 11 today and discover our most powerful version yet.